Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to learn about certificate transparency. So what is a certificate transparency? So under CT, a certificate authority, which is also formerly known as a CA, will have to publish all the SSL and the TLS certificates they issue in a public log. So anyone can look through those CT logs and find certificates that are issued for a particular domain. As we all know, if there is a website or a domain and a SSL connection is being issued to that particular website, or if I may say, a certificate have been given for the SSL TLS connection between a client and a server, at that time when the certificate is issued, it is issued by the root CA, which is the certificate authority. So from that, we can identify that which particular certificates are given to which particular domains. If you just go and read certificatetransparency.org known logs, then you may understand that why certificate transparency is important. So basically they say certificate transparency to the rescue. They make it impossible or very difficult for a CA to issue a SSL certificate for a domain without the certificate being visible to the owner of that domain. Provide open auditing and monitoring system that lets any domain owner or a CA determine whether certificates have been mistakenly or maliciously issued to anyone, and protect users as much as possible from being duped by certificates that were mistakenly or maliciously used. So now we can utilize the CT for our recon and bug bounties. How are we going to do that? So getting back to the presentation, we are going to use Crt.sh, which is the certificate search. So you can enter any identity of domain name or the organization name. Also, you can use wildcards, wherein you will be able to know which SSL certificates are being issued to those particular organizations. Or if you use wildcards, you will come to know which particular wildcard certificates are given to n numbers of websites. So let's see this into this particular screenshot. As you can see, I have searched for hacktify.in and I want to see if the root CA has given a certificate to hacktify.in. And you can see over here, you can see the cert.sh ID is given, logged at, which means basically at that particular time a log has been created when the certificate was issued. Not before, which means 2024-20, not before that the certificate was not issued. Not after means the certificate will not be usable after this particular date, which is 2021. So basically it is for 1 year, and after that the certificate is going to expire, and on to this particular domain I have to issue a new certificate. And you can see matching identities, hacktify.in, www.hacktify.in. So two matching identities, the issuer name, as you can see, the details about that particular certificate authority assigning organization. All right. If you see the next one, the cert.sh ID, you can see the matching identities where you can see the hacktify.in and www.hacktify.in again. Below that, you can see subdomains, cpanel, then you can see hacktify.in, then mail, webdisk, webmail, cpanel again. And as I have not created any subdomains for hacktify.in, you are not able to see over here, but we can use the similar technique to identify a lot of juicy subdomains for a particular target. So it is the practical time, and let's see how you can identify domains that are basically subdomains, to be precise, from certificate transparency logs using cert.sh. So let us just quickly go to the Chrome browser and just type cert.sh. Now, after you are on cert.sh, you have to basically search for a specific domain name and you will get the results to which SSL certificates have been issued. So for example, let us search for tesla.com and hit enter. And you can see over here the matching identities. This is important for us, wherein you can see the subdomains. So this is basically a subdomain, powerhub.energytesla.com, emails.tesla, my.tesla, static tesla, energy support.tesla, sso-sig.tesla, marketing, view emails, events, IR, click, and you can see we have a lot of certificates and a lot of subdomains to test for. As you can see, more subdomains we have got over here. So this is one of the helpful resource from where you can get a lot of certificates. As you can see, dev, EU mirror, SSO dev, stage, sling, www.uet. This may be their staging or UAT servers. This is again a development server, and this is new dev. Sometimes what happens is generally the UAT and the dev servers are considerably not that much secure, and you may end up finding a vulnerability over the UAT server, wherein you can just scan the internal server and identify vulnerabilities and also perform a remote code execution. So before testing the UAT and the devs, always try to see the scope as well. Sometimes UAT servers are considered out of scope, but they are a good resource for testing, wherein if you find a critical vulnerability, they are being accepted. All right, so let us just change the target and see if we get some more results for another target. And let's say we search for paypal.com and hit enter. And let us see the certificates that are being issued and if we are able to find out a subdomains over there. So as you can see, I have got a lot of subdomains. It starts from here. Basically, you can see beta sandbox, personal, event API, security, business, student, personal, ship, secure cards, receipts, mobile payments, credit, mobile client, receipts again, registration, manager, payment, CMS, forms, e-commerce, merchant. As you can see, if I keep on scrolling, you can see my scroller is over here, and sorry for that, and you can see a lot of subdomains are being enumerated for paypal.com. We know the scope of PayPal is actually very huge, and because of that we have got access to a lot of subdomains which you can utilize and you can start hunting on. So there are huge number of subdomains that we have identified. Now you can just do one thing. If you just want to take the subdomains out of here, just you can copy everything. After copying, just open up anything. Let's say if you have Word document. So I have opened up Pages and I'm going to paste everything that I have copied from there over here. It may take some time because the subdomains that we have enumerated are huge and there are a lot of subdomains actually. Now you can see I have all the subdomains over here. What I can do it, I'm just going to do this manually, although this can be done using sed command as well. I can just paste it and delete it, okay? But the simplest way that I feel is deleting this manually. So let me just show you. It is very, very easy and simple to do this. So you can see I'll just delete this particular columns. I'll delete even this particular column, and I do not want this as well. Delete this row. And you can see now we are just left with a lot of subdomains, a huge number of subdomains. Okay, let us quickly save this. So let us save this as Crt.sh paypal.com. subdomains dot let's not add dot, and let's just save this. So this has been saved, and let me show you how many subdomains are there. Okay, so as you can see over here, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to read it. So word count Crt.sh PayPal subdomain dot pages, and I'm going to hit enter, and you can see we have identified 2841. You can see over here. So there are total 2841 subdomains that we have identified using cert.sh. So these are huge subdomains that we have identified, and we can utilize these subdomains for our penetration testing, and you can start hunting on these particular targets that we have saved. So I hope you guys understood how you can enumerate subdomains from cert.sh. Thank you.